Is your Kidde 10-year smoke alarm constantly going off? Let's address the common culprits: steam and dust. First, steam from cooking or showers is a frequent trigger. Use the hush button to silence the alarm for 7 to 10 minutes, but this is a temporary fix. For a long-term solution, relocate the alarm at least 10 feet away from steam sources or behind a closed door. Second, dust buildup can also cause false alarms. Regularly vacuum or brush the vents using a soft brush or compressed air, avoiding liquids. If the beeping persists after cleaning and relocation, it might be time for a replacement, as internal sensor issues are likely. Keep in mind that most models have a 10-year life, so if your model is older, this may be the best option. While the hush button offers temporary relief, over-reliance can be dangerous. It silences the alarm, but doesn't resolve the underlying problem and can lead to complacency. Experts warn against continuous hush button use. If cleaning and relocation don't stop the false alarms, the unit may be faulty or nearing its end of life. Kidde alarms use non-replaceable 10-year lithium batteries. Persistent chirping often indicates it's time to replace the entire unit. Check Kidde's website for your specific model number to see if it's subject to any known issues or recommendations. Proactive replacement ensures reliable fire detection, especially since humidity or insect infestations can compromise the sensor's effectiveness over time.